That's all it takes for everything to change. People think crashes just happen, but they don't. It's small mistakes, bad timing, or someone not paying attention. What you're about to see isn't just random clips. These are real moments where lives stopped and nothing was ever the same again. Because after this, you'll never see the road the same way again. Number 14. Looks like the driver of that blue car wasn't fully awake this morning. He didn't even notice the car turning ahead and crashed straight into it. The poor girl crossing the road almost lost her life. Maybe he thought he was in a racing game. Some people really drive like they passed their test while sleeping. Number 13. The Audi driver in that truck, what a disaster. It's like the Audi was pulled in by a magnet and went straight into it. The whole front was destroyed. Hopefully the driver is alive, but honestly, speed and ego are a deadly combo. Number 12. Not every time it's the truck driver's fault. This car driver was rushing like he was late for the end of the world. He hit the truck and caused chaos everywhere. If it wasn't for the dash cam, people would have blamed the trucker. These days, the camera is the only honest witness. Number 11. This uncle must have a death wish. The light was red, cars were stopping, but he just walked across like nothing mattered. He risked his life, damaged a car, and walked away calmly. Some people really think traffic rules are for everyone else. Number 10. This truck driver probably forgot he had brakes. He dragged the small car in front like it was being towed. No slowing, no stopping, just total chaos. Some drivers think roads are a bravery test, not a place to drive safely. Number 9. Maybe this driver didn't have electricity at home, so he decided to visit the power tower himself. He crashed straight into it. Even the transformer must have been shocked. Feels like some drivers don't fear accidents, they look for them. Number 8. Now even animals aren't safe from careless drivers. The poor horse was calmly pulling its cart when this guy crashed into it. The cart broke apart. A sad scene. Human stupidity should never hurt innocent animals. Number 7. Why do some people drive like it's the end of the world? Two cars were clearly in front, yet he tried to squeeze in between them. The result? Broken cars, danger, and 0 sense. Life isn't a video game. You don't get extra lives here. Number 6. This man was in such a hurry to get a haircut that he drove right into the salon. Mirrors broke, chairs flew, and people ran for safety. Maybe he confused car wash with hair wash. Some people don't need driving lessons, they need common sense lessons. Number 5. The red truck driver must have thought he had superhero reflexes. He saw another truck ahead, but still decided to turn. Both trucks collided before anyone could brake. At least their indicators were still blinking. Something worked. That's what you call turning with confidence and crashing with pride. Number 4. This man literally drove into someone's house. The trampoline broke, plants got crushed, and the whole scene looked unreal. He probably heard his GPS say, "You have arrived at your destination." People like this should drive toy cars, not real ones. Number 3. This new driver clearly skipped physics class. His truck was overloaded, but he turned like he was on a bicycle. Everything spilled on the road, creating a huge mess. His boss must be losing his mind right now. Lesson: speed doesn't mean skill. Number 2. The driver with the dash cam was incredibly lucky. The flipping car stopped just inches in front of him. 1 second later, it could have been a tragedy. Sometimes, life and death are just one heartbeat apart. Number 1. Thank God for the people who rushed to help. One man even saved a girl trapped inside car. If they hadn't come in time, things could have been much worse. Moments like this remind us humanity still exists. That's it. What you just watched isn't just footage. Behind every clip, there's a real person, a home, and hopes that were broken. Some people, just because of a little hurry or a little ego, end up ruining their own lives and sometimes someone else's too. If this video taught you something, or even just entertained you, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself, your family, and your car. See you tomorrow.